Today we will look at some of the drilling case studies. Basically, there are many issues that come up during drilling. Okay, let us see how to overcome them. Challenges in drilling deep holes. While drilling large and deep holes, drilling of deep holes, they require intermittent removal of the chips. Two flutes provide the gap for the escape of the drilled chip. However, for brittle material and very small holes, the powder chip gets clogged in the flutes. This leads to the twisting force on the drill and it will tend to break. Now, the solution is to, every time you go down into the material, you have to come back again, remove the chips out, and then once again penetrate. Okay, so this is a way that if you do it. Otherwise, if you go straight inside, then there are chances that the drill might get clogged and it might break. The next one is the drilling along the sloping surfaces. Drilling on slopy surface is challenging since the tip of the drill bit, it tends to wander over the slopy surface and will definitely tend to break because of the twisting forces that comes on it. This can be avoided by using a drill jig, which will guide the tool and also prevent the drill bit from slipping over on the surface of the slope. So here the drill jig guides the drill bit nearer to the point of action, and it will hold the drill bit from slipping over to the sideways. Drilling of curved holes is sometimes very much required during making of a cooling channel for water inlet and outlet in molds. Mold will tend to get heated, and then unless if you want uniform cooling of the material which is inside and the solidification, if you want to play with the solidification, then you may have to provide the water inlet and outlet around the mold. Now this calls for a water circuit around the component, and making of this water circuit is a challenging one. So if you want any place where there should be a curved holes, okay, you may have to go in for a EDM process. Since the drilling is a linear movement process, the curved holes may be obtained by EDM process, electric discharge machining, where the electrode is in a circular shape. It will be made circular, and the electrode is rotated about its center and allowed to penetrate through the raw material while cutting. Okay, and thus a circular hole is being made. The last one is the removal of broken drill bit from final mold. Let us say that a mold has been prepared for around 3 or 4 weeks, and then during the last operation somehow the drill got jammed inside the hole and then it broke. Now, without spoiling the component, we'll have to remove the drill bit. Now, since the drill bit itself is a piece of hardened steel, then removing and chipping it off, etc., doesn't work, especially when the drill bit is totally inside. This is more challenging when it is a blind hole. Okay, so one way to do this is to, again, you will have to go back to the electric discharge machining process and then try to make an electrode whose diameter is much smaller than the size of the drill of this particular drill, and then we have to ensure that we slowly try and erode away the hardened drill bit which has got stuck inside. By this you will not be damaging the part also. Okay, so these are the 4 different challenges that we saw. The first one is deep hole drilling, where we say that intermittent removal of the drill outside the hole above is required. The second one is for the sloping surface, you have to use the drill jig. The third one, curved holes, again you can go for an electrode which is circular in shape and then rotate the electrode about its axis center point, so that you get a circular cut there. The last one is how do you remove the broken drill bit from a final mold, okay, without damaging the part. Now, here again you will have to go for a electric discharge machining process and then try and erode away the hardened drill bit which has got stuck inside. Okay. Thank you very much. Thanks for listening.